भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है।
Children, we are very proud to be born and brought up in our country, India. India is our motherland. We should all love and respect our country, India. There is not a one single reason for which we need to respect or love our country. There are so many good reasons that you already know, and that is why we are so much proud and feel privileged to be here in India. Children, there are 29 states in our country. People of different religion, castes live together in our country. There is unity in diversity, and that is why India is a unique country. India is the birthplace of many great leaders and freedom fighters too. Long, long back ago, when Britishers came to our India and stayed here to rule us, many of the brave soldiers and great leaders sacrificed their life for our country. They had the patriotic feeling in them. They wanted to save our nation from the British rule. Children, many of the great leaders who sacrificed their lives for our country were born in this month, that is October. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, APJ Abdul Kalam were among them. Their contributions and their sacrifices for our country should always be remembered, and we should always respect them and show our love to them. This month, we also celebrate the Indian Air Force Day, and that is on 8th of October. Children, our defense forces are playing an important role for our safety and security. We should always respect the soldiers and the army men for our security. I am sure when you all grow up, you are going to work more harder to make your country proud.
जय हिंद।